Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, got the nice blacked out F-150 logo with a lovely tailgate step. We do get gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad with blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, side view camera, and moving to the front, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12 volt USB and USB-C, 120 volt, and of course you do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, an upgraded B&O sound system, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 48,278 kilometers. We got this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media. We got volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip Field, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, outlets, and tons of storage. Your center console with more storage underneath. Drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, auto stop at start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards and traction, media controls. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM capabilities. We do get our phone capabilities. You can see it's been previously connected, and add your phone here. Navigation, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, and you can keep your audio open at the same time and go through different widgets. You got your fave apps here, such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8213, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.